Over the past years, I have introduced you to our range of Leopard catamarans. Let me introduce you to the Leopard 50.
Over 100 launched, this award-winning 50 is simply the best value in her class. Our 2021 interior facelift reveals an interior that is contemporary in style, with a focus that blends aesthetic detail with functionality.
Redesigned from waterline up, performance focused, entertainment heaven, stylish comfort. Let's evaluate each of these statements. With our customers demanding more in the value offering and sailing performance in both multi-hull charter and blue ocean sailing, the design brief for the Leopard 50 tested the creative energies of design teams from Robertson & Kane Global and the naval architects Simonis Voigt to go way beyond the norm. This ocean predator is a harmony of on-water grace and practical functionality. Built by Robertson & Kane International Yachts, in Cape Town and sea trialed in the toughest ocean conditions, she's delivering performance to smile about and onboard comfort to envy.
Welcome aboard the award-winning Leopard 50. Functional, well-considered design embraces a layout that is impressively spacious, and this is a central theme throughout this multi-hull. The 50 is designed for onboard enjoyment with 4 dedicated entertainment environments. These are the aft cockpit, the forward cockpit, coach roof lounge, and the saloon. Spacious, the aft entertainment area easily accommodates guest and family. The flow is seamlessly through to the saloon and past the helm station, allowing both ease of access and open communication.
The deck is finished with teak option. The 50 has an optional bespoke electric hoist swim platform and tender station. This is the perfect space for a little me time, a favorite at mooring for enjoying a glass of refreshment and admiring the view. Forward, you have the foredeck sunbeds.
The 50 coach roof lounge is uniquely positioned and integrates guest experience overlooking the helm station and the boat's operation. Accessed aft via floating stairs. This entertainment zone is equipped with lounging space including sunbeds, a gem of a position with 360-degree views. What is truly stunning about the 50 is the sense of openness. The floor-to-ceiling sliding windows and doors from the aft deck creates a harmonious indoor-outdoor living space. This is the heart of this multi-hull, the open-planned saloon. Spacious, contemporary, with panoramic windows. The saloon heralds elegant onboard functionality. With a legacy of pleasing charter customers, the space is optimized with practical storage options. With starboard cabin access, the cooking aspect of the galley is to starboard, with gas hob, oven, fridge and freezer. The food prep station of Aspen Glow and wash up is forward facing, with basin and additional cooler options, wine cooler, ice maker, freezer or dishwasher, allowing for inclusive socialization with a great view. The main cabinet finish is silver riftwood, contrasting the Highland ash floorboards, which are both aesthetically pleasing and warm in appeal.
The skylight adds another dimension, view of the sail settings and a source of natural light.
The nav station with VHF radio is portside, in sight of the helm station.
The Leopard 50 is a feast of entertainment opportunities without compromising onboard living comfort. Large hulls allow us to spoil you with spacious cabins fitted with panoramic windows and stylish comfort.
We are on the owner's cabin version. However, the Leopard 50 allows for a bonus cabin within the owner's starboard hull, the innovative VIP cabin. The window-facing raised bed is a huge treat, seen on board the Leopard 58. This cabin with ensuite bathroom is unique in position and perfect for spoiling your guests. On the port side, we have one guest cabin and a utility cabin accommodating the washer-dryer. The aft cabin features the new large transom window, and all cabins enjoy large panoramic hull windows, allowing for lots of natural light. The 50 is all about onboard comfort. Interior design is elegant, modern and relaxing. As the owner, you deserve that extra touch, and the 50 delivers. Spacious with freedom to move. The furnishings include a vanity dresser that can be used as a desk, multiple cupboards, drawers and storage spaces, and a generous, comfortable bed. Our interior design layouts focus on abundant natural light, free movement of breeze and panoramic all-around views. For comfort, the 50 is equipped with energy-efficient water-cooled air conditioning. With specific environment control, WaterMaker complements onboard sustainability, and solar rooftop panels add power generation options.
Lighting is smart,
Recessed and LED efficient. Power control is accessible and operationally user-friendly. Digital switching allows for real-time management and warnings. The Leopard 50 is designed for easy sailing operations, with the operational layouts having proved themselves across all of our models and amongst thousands of sailors. Our main travel solution is simple, yet performance efficient. All lines run back to the helm station, which is equipped with power winches, integrated Raymarine navigation and system solutions. The integrity of the hull and rig is built for blue water sailing and has proven itself in rough sea conditions.
On this boat we've been working to further improve its performance versus its weight carrying capacity. The net result is a much larger aft section, allowing for more space, while at the same time not giving in on performance or sea keeping abilities.
Power sailing is provided by two fuel-efficient 57 horsepower Yanmar engines fitted with sail drives. Mechanical environments are all finished smooth with flow coating application and with well-planned mechanical accessibility. The electrical power spec is global shore power, defaulting to 220 volt. The genset option is 60 Hz. Built to global standards and designed for discerning customers all over the world, the Leopard 50 is a breed apart. You'll agree, she's an evolution in design, functionality, performance, comfort, and she's extremely good looking. Priced competitively, she's set to take center stage in the private and charter markets. If you need any further information, visit our website leopardcatamarans.com.